Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this soft bed pillow for sleeping, queen size, hypoallergic, adjustable, and should help to reduce neck pain and improve cervical health and posture. Best hotel pillow, washable machine, 100% cotton shell, but inside it's polyester. At the moment it's at a very low price. It comes even with an additional coupon for $3. I don't know how long this will stay, but that's a huge opportunity at the moment to get this high quality pillow for really low price. I mean, I haven't seen that. I'm just assuming it's high quality. I've checked the reviews and they are 4-star. A lot of people seem to be really happy with that. And as you can see, it's 100% cotton. Filling is polyester. And yeah, it says comfortable, soft and fluffy with a zipper design, adjustable comfort, never goes flat, even after 3 years, and it comes with a satisfaction guarantee for 30 days if I'm not wrong. Here you can see yeah, it says cooling and breathable. Cotton cover ensures air circulation and makes every side in the cool side. Ergonomic design. So yeah, you can really adjust. There is also a picture where you see you can use it flat or you can fold it. So when you get it, it's really thin. You have to yeah, it has a little bit problems focusing. Hold on a second, make it a little bit bigger so you can see everything, hopefully. So I think I'll need scissors, or can I just open that? I'm curious to see what happens when I open that, if it pumps up. Oh yeah, do you see that? It's already that big or thick. That's really awesome. So it was super flat and now it's already thick. So it's, yeah, seems to be really soft and comfortable, but when you push it down, it doesn't go to zero thickness. There is really some resistance, which I like. So it goes a little bit down, but when you push more down, there is some resistance. It doesn't go to almost zero like other pillows. And here we can check the inside. As you can see, that's the fluffy polyester. When you touch it, oh wow, that's really super fluffy. Absolutely awesome. I have just to check that I don't hit the polyester when I close it. I leave it closed. No need to do something with that. Yeah, as long as it's clean, it's good. And when it's a little bit dirty, that's the good thing. You can put it, you can make hand wash, and you can put it also in a normal washer. Don't see any kind of label at the moment. Usually when you wash, when it's washable, you will have some kind of label, but anyway, it's described here on Amazon. Yeah, maybe just check the thing here. So I have double checked everything all around the pillow. There was no washing label, no instructions regarding temperature or way how to wash, but it says hand wash or machine wash. So I definitely recommend low temperature, like, or sensitive settings to use on your washing machine, and you have to use this cover, of course, otherwise yeah, you can't just wash the inside. Actually, this is the inside. You usually will use like a cover for this pillow, of course, so to protect this. So this is really good. Yeah, again, if you want to use that, you can also use it like this. It's really easy to make it double, and then you have a much thicker size. So I will probably use that for me, because I'm yeah, some kind of experienced in the last time some kind of reflux, and so I'm using usually double pillows or folded pillows, and I will use that and try that, and I will definitely let you know in the comment or in the description below how my experience was with it. But when I just from pressing, it really feels super soft, super comfortable, but still with a quite good resistance. So that's it for now. I think 6 minutes, it's okay for just a pillow, but it seems to be a good pillow. And it's important to have good quality. Don't buy cheapest pillows. It can make a huge difference regarding your health, especially when you have pain in the back or reflux or any kind of other things. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. Of course, you can only do that on YouTube. If you watch this on Amazon, just go to YouTube and check out my video, so you can leave me a comment or question or whatever. And yeah, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.